Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android. Yup, I'm talking about those pop-up ads that shows up out of nowhere on your Android phone. Let's get into it. Here's what we will learn from this video. How to scan your apps using Play Protect. How to stop Chrome pop-ups and browser ads. How to block notifications from Ad Spamming Apps. How to manage Google Services ads. How to block ads across all apps using Private DNS settings. Ready to clean up your phone and kick those pop-ups to the curb? Let's go. Section 1. Scan your apps using Play Protect. First, let us see if any sketchy apps are behind those pop-ups. Open your Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right and go to Play Protect. Then tap Scan. This scans your apps for anything harmful. Sometimes, pop-up ads sneak in through third-party apps. Play Protect finds those troublemakers fast. If it plugs anything, just hit uninstall and say goodbye to the ad spam. Section 2. Stop Chrome pop-ups and browser ads. If you are getting pop-up ads while surfing the web, here's what you need to do. Open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, scroll down and find Site Settings. Then look for Notifications. As you can see, there are certain sites that would send you non-stop notifications. All you'll have to do is toggle it off for it to automatically block any incoming notifications or pop-ups. After that, go back and select pop-ups and redirects. Tap it to toggle it off. Then go back once again and find the intrusive ads. Same goes with the other two. Toggle that off too. Section 3. Block notifications from Ad Spamming Apps. Let's deal with sneaky trick apps that send ads through your notification bar. Here's how to fix it. First, go to Settings, tap Notifications or Apps and Notifications. Choose Notifications, then App Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps and look for anything you don't use or recognize that may constantly notify you of things you don't need. Tap on those apps and turn off their notification access. No more surprise ads popping up while you are checking the time. Section 4. Manage Google Services ads. Now, this may not stop all the ads from popping up, but it most certainly will lessen and minimize unwanted ads. First, go to your Google account. Tap Data and Privacy. Scroll down and find My Ad Center. As you can see in the top right corner, it was toggled on. Tap it, and in the bottom right corner, tap Turn Off. It may take a while for it to take effect. Section 5. Block ads on all apps with Private DNS. Want to level up? We've got one last power move to stop ads across all Android apps. Here's how. Open Settings. Tap Network and Internet or Connections. Scroll and find Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider Hosting. Type in dns.adguard.com. Tap Done and Save. And that's it. Your phone will now block ads not just in browsers, but even inside apps. Let's do a quick recap before we go. Scan apps using Play Protect. Block pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome. Turn off ad-heavy notifications from specific apps. Disable personalized ads in your Google account. Set up Private DNS to block ads across all apps. Now your phone's cleaner, faster, and 100% less annoying. No more pop-ups interrupting your day. Whether it is sketchy apps, browser junk, or random notifications, your Android is now a no-ad zone. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tips from Wireless Solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you into the next one. Bye for now.